Okay, so here we are. This is how to check the transmission fluid, which according to the Lexus manual you don't have to do, but just in case, this is how you do it. First of all, what you do is you start the car. I'm not actually starting the car so that you can actually hear what I'm saying. So once you've actually started the car and the engine is running, then you shift through all the gears. You start in park, you keep your foot on the brake the whole time. Park, reverse, neutral, then down through all the gears. Nice and slowly and evenly. And then back up through neutral, reverse, and back up into park. And then you actually need to let the engine run for about 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and take our time. We're going to pop the hood. And if you remember, the hood latch is down here by the gas tank button and the trunk button. The hood latch is kind of down below, hidden in the dark. So there's our flashlight. Here's the engine hood latch. Pop the hood. Walk around to the front. I've got some gloves that I like to wear, and I also have a rag here. You might also like to wear gloves, and always have your rag ready. So you reach underneath the hood between where the hood stops and the bumper starts, and there's that lever. Pull the lever, lift up the hood. On your Lexus, the hood just stays up on its own. And then right down here in front is this red plastic piece right here. This is the dipstick to check the transmission fluid. So one thing to remember is that your engine is running this whole time. That's necessary to check the transmission fluid. So make sure to keep your hands, hair, loose clothing away from any moving parts like the fan kind of up front here. So what you do is you simply move this metal lever out of the way, pull on that red handle to remove the dipstick, and you can look at the dipstick. You can see that it has these markings on it. This mark means full. This mark means low, but it's okay. Anything down this direction is trouble. So you want to make sure that your transmission fluid is between low and full. And your dealer should be able to take care of that for you. And this is not actually anything that you need to check, but just in case, this is how you do it. And then with two hands, you simply replace the dipstick back into the fill tube. That's also where you would put transmission fluid if it were low. And then go ahead and wiggle it and push it back in until that metal lever clips and locks it in. And if you needed to fill that with transmission fluid, you would only do it a little bit at a time, maybe half a quart at a time, and you would definitely use a skinny funnel so that you can pour it in there. And that's how you check your transmission fluid.